how to create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is an important step in managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. Here are some steps you can follow to create a budget and stick to it. 1. Determine your income. This includes your salary, any bonuses or commissions, and any other sources of income. 2. Identify your expenses. Make a list of all your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, car payments, and insurance. Include variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. 3. Determine your savings goals. Consider your short-term and long-term savings goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or retirement. 4. Compare your income and expenses. Subtract your expenses from your income to see if you have a surplus or deficit. If you have a surplus, you can use it to save more or pay off debt. If you have a deficit, you'll need to cut back on expenses or increase your income. 5. Create a budget plan. Use your income and expenses to create a budget plan that includes your savings goals. Be sure to include a category for miscellaneous expenses. 6. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending and compare it to your budget plan. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. 7. Make adjustments as needed. If you find that you are consistently over or under budget in certain categories, make adjustments to your budget plan to better reflect your spending habits. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial videos.